Next on What's Trending, we have Justice Kolawole Omotosho of the Federal High Court, sitting in Abuja, has ordered the government of former President Olusegun Obasanjo, Umaru Musa Yar'Adua, Goodluck Jonathan, and Muhammadu Buhari to give an account of the $5 billion Abacha loot so far recovered. Vanguard reports that in a judgment delivered on 3rd July 2023 in a Freedom of Information suit number FHC ABJ CS 407-2020, filed by the Socio-Economic Rights and Accountability Project (SERAP), the court ordered the government of the President Bola Tinubu to disclose the exact amount of money stolen by General Sani Abacha from Nigeria and the total amount of Abacha loot recovered, and all agreements signed on same by the government of former President Obasanjo, Yar'Adua, Jonathan, and Buhari. Justice Omotosho held that in the final analysis, the application by SERAP is meritorious, and the federal government, through the Ministry of Finance, is hereby ordered to furnish SERAP with the full spending details of about $5 billion Abacha loot within 7 days of this judgment. Justice Omotosho ordered the government to disclose details of the projects executed by the Abacha loot, locations of any such project, and the names of companies and contractors that carried or carrying out the project since the return of democracy in 1999 till date. The judge also ordered the government to disclose details of specific roles played by the World Bank and other partners in the execution of any project funded with Abacha loot under the government of former President Obasanjo, Yar'Adua, Jonathan, and Buhari. Justice Omotosho dismissed all the objections raised by the federal government and upheld SERAP's arguments. Consequently, the court entered judgment in favor of SERAP against the federal government. An artisan said, any president who is not ready to arrest any former president or head of state is not ready to fight corruption. The guy said, Yar'Adua never got the Abacha loot during his time. He would have used it meticulously had he got any. He is the best ever thing to happen to the presidency. Another guy said, only an educated illiterate will believe that fraud, they call Abacha loot. Abacha didn't loot any penny. Okay.